In this video, I'm going to share with you guys the advanced indicator which is highly profitable and it is based on the pivot point alerts. So as you know that the pivot points are highly successful in the market and it basically tells us that from where the market can get a reversal. So this indicator is a kind of an indicator that is going to help you with the reversals of the market. So before I start this video, let me introduce myself. I'm a price action coach and I have a special 1 hour price action coaching program. And if you are willing to book your price action coaching sessions with me, I have a 1 hour session program. So if you are willing to book your 1 hour session with me, then please find the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below. And moreover, subscribers, if you are willing to join the best broker that I personally use, and this broker provides you variety of trading accounts as you can see on the screen. So you can join this broker by finding the link in the description of this video below. Okay, now let's move towards our strategy. We need to write close load on tradingview, and then we will give dash, and when you will write a close load dash and then you write pivot. Okay, so then this indicator will come because it has a two indicators with the pivot reversal strategy, but we have to choose the indicator that is called pivot reversal strategy alerts version 2 by author. The name of the author is Quant Nomad, and you can see 1192 traders are using this trading strategy. Okay, so first of all, guys, this indicator basically provides us some long and short positions, and you can see that we have a key areas that when they break, then we are going to trade those areas. Okay, but definitely you know that we are not going to use any indicator blindly. So now it depends on you that which strategy that you are using to go with the combination with this indicator. For example, if you ask me, then I will recommend you one more indicator that is called moving average exponential. And then if I go to the settings of the moving average exponential, I will give it a white color. Okay, and then I will be going to give it a third level of thickness, and then inside the inputs I would like to choose the length from 9 to 200. Okay, now my trading setup is completely ready because I would like to trade with the trend, not against the trend. Okay guys, now as you can see that we have the green channel and the red channel, and we can see that when the market breaks the green channel, it means that we have a kind of a buy signal. Now it comes in your mind that try your best not to buy from that specific area. Try your best to that the price should come to some discounted zone. Okay, so ignore the short position in that case because you are above the 200 EMA, and when you see a bullish pattern from here, then you buy it. So for example, let's go back. Okay, and let's see some other charts because we are going to trade with, because we are willing to trade with the trend, not against the trend. Okay, so for example, let's say this was the short position that wasn't recommended. Okay, now the long is here. So if you have a good money management skill, you can take your buy position right from here. Otherwise, I would preferably like to come the price to the some discounted zone, and then you can also take your position from the support and resistance areas, and you can also add because we have a support here as well. So this is how you can play with the market with this indicator. So let me show you some other charts. Okay guys, so for example, here we are into the short position, so this could be a good option to go for the short because here if you look at here, we were below the 200 EMA. If you have short from that area, so why I'm talking about the discounted zone, because the short was recommended here, but you can see the couple of candles pumped up. So this is called a discounted zone as per my knowledge. So here you will get a good selling chance because when the breakout is happening, then mostly traders are entering into the sell positions, but the banks will favor the opposite direction because they want their stop losses to hit. So that's why if you are going to use this indicator in a better way, by keeping in mind a little bit common sense, that it is going to help you a lot. Okay, so this is the example that here it has provided us with a short position, but right now you can see the market is making another lower highs. It means that the trend is getting changed. So might be possible after 2 to 3 hours we will see that pair above the 200 EMS, the trend will get changed. So that's why you need to add the common sense as well. Okay, so here you can see it has provided you with a short position, but definitely we are not interested in that short. We should be looking to long, and you can see that we can long from here above the 200 EMA because we can see a clear upward momentum. Okay, so similarly the short signal comes here, but not interested to trade right now. Let it come little bit higher and then you can short it. That's the best option. So for example, let me explain you again, guys. You can see on this breakout we get a long signal. Do not go long in that case. Let the price come down little bit. So somewhere here when you're getting bullish candles, then enter into the position. This would be highly perfect strategy if you are going to use it in this way, because instantly you should not take the trade as per this indicator, because you know that normally I do not talk about this in my videos, but this is the kind of indicator that requires a little bit patience, but it is highly profitable. Okay, so guys, what do you think about this trading strategy? Let me know into the comment section. Please subscribe FX Mentor US, like the videos and share the videos with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.